Summer is near, Phenomenal Club is here to brighten your day and your career. Hey guys, this is Ethan from Phenomenal Club, and don't go anywhere. This is gonna be one of the most important videos you have ever watched in your life. So sit down, stay calm, and enjoy the ride. First things first, this is gonna be a series of tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to write your first decentralized application on top of the Ethereum network. I'll show you how to write your first smart contract where we'll hold an election between two candidates and we will allow accounts connected to the network to vote in our election, and we'll watch all the votes coming in real time as they happen, just like that. We'll write tests against our smart contract to ensure that our code is robust, and we'll deploy all the code in our smart contract to a local Ethereum network. We'll also write a client-side application that will allow users connected to the network to interact with our smart contract and vote in the election. But before we jump into building our dApp, I want to take a step back and answer a few questions like what is blockchain, how does a blockchain works, and how does a decentralized application work. So if you're familiar with those things already, feel free to skip ahead. But if not, let's examine some key concepts.